Okay, so I'm gonna paint this mask, and I need to also cut these little horns off the back of it because they are not comfortable and they make it not fit your face well. So I'm going to trim them off and add some foam to them. Okay, so now I'm going to trim some of this stuff off the back of these horns so that it fits better on the head, because right now when you put it on, these horns dig directly into your forehead and it's not very comfortable. So I'm going to trim these, make it a little bit more flush with the actual mask itself, and then add in some foam padding. T-strap maybe on it. So that's the mask, and then stitch this together. So I put this in there so I can use it. So yeah. Painted. Again, it's a flexible mask because it's TPU. It's foamed. It's just really light too. The only thing heavy on it are the horns, and the horns aren't even that heavy.